Hey everybody, it's Patty from Chatty Patty's Place. So I wanted to do an unboxing video of a product that I received from Sansi. And this is a motion detector light that I received. First of all, this is my first time opening the box. And it has some pamphlets and information about how to install the light. Okay. As I open the box, see that it's pretty securely packaged. This video up a little bit. Okay. Okay, so it comes with all the lighting pieces attached, so I don't have to assemble anything. However, there are a few parts that are included as well. Looks like a bracket to install it, and some other little pieces, some couplings, and some screws. So this is a solar powered light. And I just want to show you that it is a hard wire, not battery. So it's got a nice, it's a lightweight, but it's not like an ultra lightweight. It's like a nice weight, weight to it. It has a tester button here and a couple of different settings in the front of the light, I guess to show for sensitivity. Okay, so it has an auto, and then it has a timer mode. It has two sets of lights that looks like they can be adjusted directionally, so you can place them to shine where you would like. Just check out. The light seems to be, well, they're both moving pretty well, and they're pretty stiff, I'll say, but good stiff, so that if a wind blows, it's not going to flop around. So it does take a little bit of hand movement to adjust the light itself. You can see the motion sensor also has a pivot to be moved where you need it to go. So if you're looking for a motion detector that's hardwired, not battery operated, this seems to be a pretty decent model. Let me just tell you a little about it. It's a ceramic LED security light, and it comes with the motion activated LED light, bar shaped mounting plate, waterproof gasket. Comes with 3 wire connectors, mounting bolt, rubber screw cap, and the only tools you really need to install this are a screwdriver, pretty much, and that's it. So if you want to replace any of your old lighting outside with a sensor lighting, this is an inexpensive light to do it with. I'll have some links up on my blog at chattypattysplace.com for pricing and more information about the Sansi motion activated ceramic LED security light. I decided to request it because I have like old lighting in my backyard, and I wanted something that would click on when someone or something was in the yard, just to give me a sense of knowing that there's something or someone there. So I'm not sure about the sensitivity of the light. Once I have it installed, I'll do another video just to give you an update. Right now it's winter time here, so I haven't had a chance to get out there and install the light, but I plan on doing that as soon as the warm weather breaks. So this video is more just to introduce you to the product and tell you a little bit about it before I actually do an actual review on the product itself. I wanted to get this up for the manufacturer, just to have something on my YouTube channel about the light itself, and not have them wait for me to actually install it when the better weather comes along. So like I said, once I have it installed, I'll do another video just to give you an update on the light itself. But just if you're looking for any, like I said, if you're looking for any kind of a hard wired motion activated ceramic LED security light, these are available on Amazon. It's Sansi, and visit chattypattysplace.com for links and information. Look back for an update on my post once I have it installed, probably sometime around March or April when I get it actually installed, when the warm weather comes. And you have a great day.